Mason, what are you doing back there? He's gonna get lost back there. Oh, they're running back behind the bushes, cool. Or the trees. That's funny. There he is! You'd think they would have had enough for Day-Day, but I guess not. Come on, guys. Let's go. Well, I'd be lucky if I can get him back in the house now. It's playtime.